everybody, this is Deborah with Scraps a Lot, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to go over my Crafty haul from this weekend. I don't usually do these kinds of videos, but I thought this one was kind of fun. I found all kinds of exciting things. I did watch a couple of other people's Dollar Tree hauls, and I was like, wow, Dollar Tree has some new cool Crafty stuff, so I went to check it out. I didn't find everything that some of those other people did, but I did find a few other things that they didn't, and I'm gonna show you what I found. So the first thing I got was poster tack. This is great to put things on your wall, and it costs way more than $1, obviously, if you go to Walmart. Let me show you. I did get some of these baskets. They're kind of big for on the camera, but I got 4 green and 4 pink, and they're much larger than the baskets I've had in the past. So as I show you these things, I'm just going to take them and put them off of my table. So there's that poster tack. Let's throw that down there. These, I believe, are water-based markers. It doesn't say on the package, but I have these markers, and if you look at them, they're very similar. They're just smaller, but the caps are the same, the barrels are the same, and I just wanted to try them out. These are very expensive markers. I love them, but if these do the same thing, I'm going to be really super pleased. So I'm going to try those out, and I'll let you know, hopefully in a future video, if they are water-based. I also picked up 6 stencil brushes. I didn't see these on anybody else's haul, and I was very happy that my store had them. They are Jot brand, and I was just super excited that that they had them. So I picked up 7 of those for the rainbow: red, orange, green, blue, indigo, violet, and I like to have one for the turquoise. I stick those in there. So stencil brushes, and then these were some really neat butterfly stickers. I don't usually get a lot of stickers from the Dollar Tree, but look at the, oh, I crushed the package. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Let me take it out. These are absolutely amazing. Can you see that? The dimension? They're just beautiful. And I got the browns and oranges, and then the blues. They had another pack that was like more browns, but honestly, they kind of look like moths. So I stuck with the blues and like the golden oranges. I think these will look great on cards or scrapbook pages. Oh my goodness. Anyway, alright. So there's those. Oh, and these. I didn't see these on anybody else's either. They had 3 different kind. I didn't really like the third one. It was, I don't know, it was more, not really emojis, but like abbreviations like OMG and LOL and like other ones I didn't even recognize. So these look very, very similar to the name brand ones that are out there. I mean, look at the font. It's just so similar, and you can see that gold, the gold highlight. So there's not a whole lot in here. Got 1 page. This is more like square stickers, shopping lists and stuff. So there's 2 pages. This one's all black and gold. It says, hey beautiful, stay inspired, hello, so blessed, good times, today was awesome, you're the best. All kinds of fun stuff. These are bright colors. Weekend, I like the weekend banner, that's cute. And then there's some little weather dots. So how many pages is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like there's 6 pages in this one. And they're just really cute planner stickers. I thought those were adorable. And then I also got this one. These are also planner stickers, just different different themes. This one's more tropical. Oh, lots of gold, little gold stripes and gold pineapples, to-dos. And then this one's like really super colorful. I really like that. And these are just little stickers, you know, do it now, passion never fails, attitude is everything, every moment is perfect. Lots of calendar marking ones. Just fun. 265 pieces. The other one that I showed you had 323. So these I did see on the other page. These are stretched canvases. They're actually stretched and stapled over a wood frame. You can't really see the wood frame in there, but it's a little lightweight wood frame. They are not pre-gessoed, but it says here this one is a 6x8 wood frame, 100% natural cotton canvas, excellent for oil or acrylic paints. They were $1, so you know you don't feel bad about messing those up. So I got 2 of those. They had 2 smaller sizes and I think maybe a larger size. These are canvas panels. These are just flat. They're on like a board, like a cardboard. So this is an 8x10. It's 100% cotton canvas. Excellent for oils or watercolors. Again, they're not gessoed or sealed or anything, so you'd have to do that. But they were $1 a piece, and you know, then you don't feel bad about messing them up. Because I know when I try things, I usually mess them up first. So these were really cute. They're just little felt stickers. They're witch boots and witch hats, and I just thought those were really cute, and they look cute on like scrapbooks or cards. This is a pencil pouch. Majestically awkward, and you can see the little flamingo's got one leg up in the air. I just thought that was adorable. And then can't go wrong with the decorating kit. This one's not really crafty for my craft room, but it is crafty for the pumpkins. And I really like the kitty cat, because those of you that know me know I'm a cat lady. These were really cute. Again, I don't buy a lot of stickers from the Dollar Tree, but these were super cute. They are 3D. So they have layers. There's like I see at least 2 layers on them. And you know, there's an astronaut, a satellite, a spaceship, the space shuttle, another astronaut, and all of the planets. I just love the way the planets look. I thought that would look really cool with those galaxy backgrounds that we've all been doing. I did get some washi tape, because I need washi tape like I need a hole in my head. But they had the princesses. Can't go wrong with princesses. And I got this little one because there's a squirrel on there. Can you see that squirrel? Thought he was adorable. I did get cars. Thought that was cute. And it just has the different cars from the movie on the tape. I did get a music tape. I don't know what the song is, to be honest. I have no idea. I didn't even look. But it looks like it's not in English, but who cares? I didn't have music notes. Thought that was pretty cool. And Minions. How can you go wrong with Minions? I love Minions. So now I have Minion tape. Did not have Minion tape before, I don't think. Anyway, I did get these. I got 2 of the flamingo ones because I absolutely love flamingos. These are kind of like puffy stickers, and they're super glittery. And the glitter is inside, so they don't shed on you, and you don't get glitter everywhere. But again, I thought they'd be cute on envelopes or on scrapbook pages, not necessarily on my cards. And then the unicorns, those are adorable. Same thing, envelopes or scrapbook pages. And then the pineapples, I absolutely love these. Super colorful, and they'll look great on my pages. Then I did get this sheet. They are most of them are metallic. I think only this one that says awesome and the arrow are the only ones. Oh no, that one's not metallic. Those are the 3 that are not metallic. The rest of them have like metallic turquoise on them. Super cute. It says call me, awesome, happy, hello, rock. Oh, I guess rock star, and okay. I just thought it would be cute on scrapbook pages. I also got these. They are the mesh that has glitter on it, but they're spider webs. So I got black with purple glitter spider webs and orange with spider webs, glitter spider webs, or black with orange spider webs, that's what I meant. Anyway, I thought these might make a really cool background for a shaker card. I don't know if everything will stick to it, but maybe if I use like micro beads or seed beads instead of sequins, then they'll move around and you'll be able to see them shaking. I don't know how clear the black mesh is. You know, sometimes the black mesh is pretty see-through. Oh yeah, that's super see-through. So that's going to be awesome. I think it's going to be really cute. Now I got glitter everywhere. So I think that'll be really cute. And then it's that time of year they have all the fake snow. So they have this size that's like teeny tiny. And then they have the larger balls that are, I don't know, like maybe like a quarter-inch around. I don't know. They're bigger than double the size of the. Well, maybe they're double the size of these. But I got this little tiny, the tiny mix because this is great to glue on the front of your cards for snow, and it's also great for shaker cards. So I picked up a bag of that, and looking forward to that. And then I got a bottle of Aleene's original tacky glue. They had it there for $1. It is a small bottle, but I don't know about you, but my Aleene's is the hardest glue ever to get out of the bottle. So I'm hoping maybe mine's just old, because this one looks super juicy. And my Aleene's doesn't want to come out of the bottle. So I'm hoping this will work, and that'll make it well worth $1 for me. So there's that. And then I also went to Dollar General and I got a couple of things. So at Dollar General, I got Rudolph and his girlfriend, and her name escapes me. What is it, like Charisse? Oh gosh, what is it? I can't even think of it. If you guys know her name, leave it in the comments, because it just like totally fell out of my head. So last night I had these on my dining room table, and the cats stole Rudolph. And he was on the floor. He's got fuzz on his nose. He's got reindeer fuzz on his nose. And look at that little red nose. He's so cute. Anyway, you know, she looks bigger than him. That's weird. Anyway, so there's my my reindeers. I'm very excited about those. And I got some duct tape. It's a small roll, but that's okay. I barely use the duct tapes. So this has paw prints all over it, and they're probably dog prints, but we're gonna call them cat prints. And they had these metallic markers. Now at Dollar General, everything's not $1, but all of this stuff was like the stuffed animals, they were like $3.50 a piece. And these things were like, you know, $1.25 or $1.50. I think this was $1.50. This might have been $1. Really inexpensive, but this is a metallic paint marker. It's silver, and it has the balls in it. Honestly, it almost sounds dry, so I'll be interested to open that up and see if there's anything in it, because it sounds really dry. And these are kind of like the witch hats that I got at Dollar Tree, but they're little hootie owls. Look how cute they are. And there's all different colors in there. And then this, they had this at Dollar General. It's a pad of 9x12 designer paper, and it has, see if you can see that. It has all the different colors and these different patterns that it shows on the front. So I just thought those were really cute, and for, you know, like a couple of bucks, you can't go wrong with that. It says that it's watercolor paper, but honestly, it's not very thick, so I wouldn't watercolor on it. I think maybe what they mean is it has that watercolor look, because you can see how it's kind of faded in and out. Maybe that's what they mean. Anyway, that's my haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you want to subscribe to my channel and check out more videos. And I'll be posting more videos. I took a little bit of a break from the YouTube world, and now I'm looking forward to getting back into it and getting my videos posted on a more regular basis. So if you like this video or other videos that I've posted, please subscribe and click the little bell so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. I'd love to hear your comments. I enjoy reading them, and I try to respond to everyone. And until next time, keep it crafty. Bye now.